Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to another episode of 5 Minutes Tech Story. Today, we're venturing into a landscape that's evolving rapidly under the influence of machine intelligence. The rise of AI is shaking up many industries, and one area where the impact is particularly significant is in SaaS companies that rely on the per-seat business model. Traditionally, these SaaS companies have followed a straightforward pricing strategy, charge customers based on the number of users or seats accessing their software. This model has been intuitive and easy to implement, making it a favorite among many SaaS providers. But the winds of change are blowing strong now, bringing forward the capabilities of AI that challenge the very foundation of this per-seat model. AI's ability to handle the work of multiple human employees is nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine AI as not just an assistant, but an entire workforce compressed into an algorithm. In fields ranging from customer support to data analytics and even creative roles, AI is making its mark. It's taking over tasks that once required whole teams, thereby significantly reducing the need for multiple human users, and by extension, the number of seats needed. Consider a customer support team where traditionally you might have had 10 to 15 representatives. With the deployment of an advanced AI system, you may only need a couple of human supervisors, while the AI handles the bulk of queries and interactions. That right there is a significant reduction in the number of seats, and for the SaaS companies that have banked on charging per user, it's a challenge that strikes at the core of their revenue model. The irony is hard to miss. SaaS companies, often at the bleeding edge of technological advancement, are now facing the music written by their own advancements in AI. The adoption of AI by their clients is leading to a paradox: improved efficiency and reduced costs on one hand, and potential revenue loss on the other, because fewer seats are required. AI isn't static either. Its capabilities are expanding every day. Machine learning algorithms are becoming better at understanding natural language, making sense of unstructured data, and crunching numbers at an unforeseen rate. The rate of adoption is accelerating, and with it, the diminishing need for a traditional user base grows steeper. In an age where one algorithm could do the job of 10 people, the old pricing paradigms based on headcount start to look like a relic of the past. SaaS companies are at a crossroads. They need to rethink their strategies and adapt or risk being left behind. So, what might this adaptation look like? One option is to shift to value-based pricing. Instead of charging per seat, SaaS companies could charge based on the value they provide. This requires a deep understanding of customer needs and the ability to articulate and quantify the value their software delivers. It's not about how many people use the tool, but about how impactful the tool is in achieving business outcomes. Another avenue could be usage-based pricing, where customers are charged based on how much they use the software, rather than the number of users. This could align better with AI-heavy environments where individual user numbers might be low, but the intensity of software use could be high. Subscription models could also evolve to offer tiered pricing based on the complexity of the AI services provided. As AI becomes more capable, the intricacies and subtleties of its applications expand. Basic AI functionalities might come at a lower cost, while more advanced capabilities like predictive analytics or sophisticated natural language processing are premium offerings. These adaptations are easier said than done, but they hold the promise of aligning revenue models more closely with the real-world applications of AI. The companies that embrace these changes and spearhead innovation in pricing will likely find themselves ahead of the curve. In the end, the rise of AI is more than just a technological shift. It's a redefinition of how business is conducted. For the traditional per-seat business model in SaaS, it's a stark reminder that even the most enduring models must evolve. Just as AI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, so too must the SaaS world push the boundaries of how it thinks about value and revenue. Thank you for tuning in to 5 Minutes Tech Story. Stay curious, stay informed, and tune in next time as we navigate the ever-changing tides of the tech world.
See you in the next episode of 5 Minutes Tech Story. Story worth forever, inspiration. Minutes Tech Story.